Greetings everyone. I am Bonus Kagarama, an applied statistician specializing in data analytics and research design. I'm here to help you master data analytics using Python. If you encounter any challenges or have any questions regarding this course, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to support you on every step of the way. Let us embark on this exciting. The last session, we learned how to create the independent charts. Charts that do not depend on anything. Standing alone charts. In this session, we are going to learn how to create the dependent charts. We use the same data as the ones we used in the previous session. The data file is count or area data. It is in my data folder. Importing our Excel data in Python Jupyter notebook. Go to search engine, look for Jupyter notebook, open Jupyter notebook. The folder named my data is in the document. Click document. Search for the folder, my folder, no, my data. Open the folder. Go to new and then Python 3. This is the command window. As I've been telling you, for starter users, this is like a new file in starter. So this is the new file that we need to rename. There is an title here, we'll rename it. Just say tutorial 3. Oh, tutorial 4. Rename. Tutorial 4 as the title. Kagarama bonus. Now, we are going to import the libraries. Import Pandas as pd. Import Matplotlib .pyplot as plt. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import NumPy as NP. Run the libraries. Error message. No module named Seaborn. No, it is not written like this. It is Seaborn. Run. Okay. After importing the libraries, import the data frame. Go to the folder, my data. My data file is called count or area data. Search for count or area data. This is the data file or data frame. Click on it. So this is the path. We write this path, backslashes change to slashes. Go back to the command window, call it any name, data frame, for instance df equal to pd your pandas dot read Excel, because your data is in Excel. Then inverted commas include your path, capital C, colon, capital C, colon, users NSR documents, users, now slash, backslash is changed to slash, slash, there is slash here before users, NSR, slash, documents, slash, I data, slash, and then count or area data dot xlcx, run, and then execute your data frame. So let us limit our data frame to 2 rows dot head 2, run. Okay. Size of the data frame, for the size of the data frame, this is bring your data frame as the name of the data frame dot shape, run. 175 rows and 60 columns or 60 variables. Dependent chars. What are dependent chars? These are chars that are, these are chars that depend on tables. As I told you, the last session, we created the independent chars that do not depend on anything. Now, we are going to see the dependent chars that emanate from created tables. Okay. Let us write it. These are chars that come from the created tables. Let us learn, for instance, a frequency table. A frequency table for region or area. Let's say the percent of the population by region by region or area. Or area. This is the variable, region or area. The percent of the population by region or area. This is the being your pandas library dot cross tab in within the bracket index. Your index is going to be okay, index equal to a data frame, bring a data frame, and then within your square bracket being your variable. The variable of interest is the region or area. After square bracket, comma, include columns, equal, inverted commas, just say frequency, run. Now, let us change this table. Let us report this table in percentages. In percentages. In percentages. You create the new variable called, for instance, tab or any variable. You call copy your command for the above table, for the above frequency table. And then you create another variable, for instance, called S. You call your new created table for the above command, for this command of frequencies, over tab dot sum times 100. Run. Name tab is not defined. It is tab. This one, not tab. Tab. Okay, run from above here. Run the command from above. And then execute the new created variable in the percentages. You can see this is the S is the new created variable for percentages. You can see now the above table, frequency table, is reported here as the percentages. For it was counts. In terms of counts, now it is in terms of percentages. This is the frequency, no, percentages. Just to rename here to differentiate it from the preceding table, percentage, because it is in percentages. Percentages. Run, run, run. Okay. You can see from this table, we are going to create the chart. This is reported in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 6 decimal places. Let us report in 2 decimal places. Reduce decimal places now. Reducing the decimal places to 2. This is, take the same created variable for percentages, which is s, equal to NP. This is a library for NumPy. NumPy, as I told you, this library, NumPy. NumPy is for mathematical computations. NumPy dot round in the bracket, within a bracket, bring again your new created variable for the above table in percentages, and then decimals equal to 2, because we need to report in 2 decimal places. Run, and then execute. You can see now we have the new table reported in 2 decimal places, different from the preceding table in 6 decimal places. Okay. This table now is appropriate for basing upon it to create the chart. Now, creation of a bar chart from the above table. Create the new variable, for instance, AX, equal, bring your new created variable for the above table reported in 2 decimal places. And then dot plot within a bracket what kind of chart bar, comma, and then rotation equal, let's say 45, comma, start equal first. We are going to see the difference between first and true for start. First, comma, width equal, this is the width of your bar chart. Let's say 0.6. And then include the size of the figure. Size of the figure equal, let's say 6:3. And then run. If you run, you can see this kind of figure. This figure, bar chart, is not complete. It lacks the title. It lacks the value labels and the y-axis label. Okay. Adding the title, bring your Matplotlib library dot title. You are going to give it a title. Let's take the same title of the table, the percentage of the population by region or area. Run. You can see it has got now the title. Y label, plot dot Y label. This is, let's say, percentages. Or percentages. Oh, okay, percentages. There is inverted commas here. Inverted within, it is within the inverted commas. Run. You can see percentages. Yeah, Y label as Y label. What else is lacking? Value labels. Adding the value labels. Yeah. For container in AX is our new created variable for this command, for the bar chart. Container, these are containers in, because this is a container, in AX dot containers colon AX, bring also back your new created variable for the above created command. AX dot label dot bar label. You are labeling now the bar, your bar chart, and then container. Run. You can see now these are the percentages from the above table, reported in 2 decimal places. The bar chart is huge in terms of size, in terms of height. It's big in terms of height. Let us reduce it. We reduce it by okay, we reduce the height of our bar chart. So here, figure size, the starting digit here, or the starting number, is for adjusting the width, and the second number is for adjusting the height. So let us adjust the height from 3 to 2. Run. You can see we have reduced the height from 2, the height from 2 to 1.5. Run. Okay. Let us increase the Y limit, because this 24 is not well seen for this, for Western progress, for Western count. Okay. Let us increase the Y limit to clearly see this label. Plot dot Y limit dot Y lim it is from 0 to 20. Now let us say 0 to 25. You can see still it is not, we can still increase 0 to 30 and run and see. So, yeah, okay, it's inside here within the limit. Let us increase the the height from 1.5 to 2. Run. From 2 to 3. Run. Okay, this is okay. This is fine. So this is the bar chart emanating from the above table. This is the univariate analysis. One variable analysis. Okay. Two-way chart. This is still dependent table. Dependent table. Okay. We are going to learn, for instance, let's say, okay, every time we need to create a command, we should call our data frame to clearly see our variables. Dot head. So we are going to run sex by region, the percentage of males and females by region or area. The percentage of males and females by region or area. Males and females, this is sex. Region or area, this is another variable. We are going to combine two variables. Bring again your pandas library dot cross tab. Bring again your data frame and within a square bracket bring your variable which is regional area. And then, comma, bring again your data frame within square bracket, include the second variable, which is the sex. Run. You can see this is the frequency table. Sex, region or area by sex. So it is reported in terms of counts. Now, in terms of percentages, create another variable, for instance, Q, to run the frequencies equal to H over H dot sum times 100. Run and then execute Q. You can see this is now in percentages. But this is still 6 decimal places. Reduce the decimal places to 2 or to 1. Let's say to 1. Check the same created variable for percentages. Q equal to NumPy dot round. Again, your new created variable for percentages. Now decimals equal 1. Run and then execute. It is 1 decimal place. If it is 3 decimal places, run. This is run again from above. Let us run from above. It is 3 decimal places. It looks like that. Let us make it 1 decimal place, as we said. Okay. So this is our table in 1 decimal place. Running graphics, a graphic. Now running a graphic. Call it a new variable again. Equal to your new created variable for the above table in percentages, which is a Q dot plot kind equal bar comma rotation equal, let's say 50, comma start equal false, comma, and then width equal 0. Let's say 6 or 5, comma, and the size of the figure equal let's say 5, and the height is 5. No, width is 5 and the height is 3. Run. You can see. Okay. Still it is incomplete figure. Lacking Y label and the title, Y label, title, and the value labels. Adding title. Adding the title. LT, your Matplotlib dot title in bracket, inverted commas.
percentage of males and females by region or area. By region or area. Run. Y label. Let us say this, if the x-axis is the region, these vertical bars, let us call this as the sex or percentages, because sex is the region is here. Y label PLT dot Y label percentages. As simple as that. Now let's say the percentage symbol. Run. Next is adding data, adding value labels. Adding value labels. For container, in ax.containers, comma, ax dot bar label. You are now labeling our bar chart container. Run. Okay. This is our bar chart, a complete bar chart. It has got a title, Y label, and value labels. And also there is X label. Okay. Let us increase the width. Increasing the width from 5 to 7. Let's learn and see. You can see increasing from 7 to 9. Run. Okay. Let us increase the height from 3 to 2 and see. Run. You can see. So this is the bar chart for 2 variables, 2 by 2 variables. So if you change it to, for instance, bar to BARH, it means this is a horizontal bar chart. You're going to get this kind of figure, horizontal. So height is from, let us make height as the 3, from 2 to 3, and you see if it is a horizontal chart. From 3 to 3.5. Run. Here. As simple as that. So copy the same command down. You remove H here. You need only bar, a vertical bar, looking like this. You can see the difference. That is the difference. So the rotation the meaning of rotation here, rotation somewhere here. Rotation is 50. If rotation is 50, the y-axis labels, value labels for region look like this. If rotation is, let's say, 30, run, it looks like this. If it is 0, run, it looks like this. Okay, let us make it rotation as just 30, run. That's how we deal with the chars in Python. What's the meaning of, if you say start equal to false, it looks like this. So start equal to true, run and see how it looks like. This is male, female, male, female. So it looks like that. If start is true, yes. Else. Start is true. Now true. True, true, true. What's wrong with this incomplete input? This is lacking. We did not copy the whole of it. Start equal true. Okay, this is how we create the dependent chars. The dependent chars. If you liked, you can subscribe, like, share, and we'll meet for the next session. Thank you.